The Special Advisor to President Bola Tinubu on Information and Strategy, Bayo Ononuga, has criticized former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, accusing him of promoting economic fantasies and engaging in petty politics. Ononuga's statement on Sunday comes amid ongoing exchanges between the Presidency and Abubakar, who recently offered suggestions to address Nigeria's economic challenges. The rift between the two leaders escalated last week when Abubakar declared he could not be envious of Tinubu, alleging that the president's policies have inflicted pain on Nigerians. Ononuga dismissed Atiku Abubakar's claims, saying Atiku Abubakar's criticisms of Tinubu's presidency are mere harebrained propositions devoid of realistic alternatives. He must reckon with the decades of mismanaged economy inherited by the current administration, including exorbitant subsidy expenditures, far exceeding government earnings from crude oil. As of mid-2023, the landing cost of fuel was between 500 naira and 600 naira, while it was sold nationwide at an average of 200 naira. The 2023 budget allocated 3.36 trillion naira for fuel subsidies until June 2023, against a projected 2.23 trillion naira in oil revenue for the year. Nigerian state was on life support. Ononuga emphasized, "We expect Atiku to commend what the Tinubu administration has done concerning revenue generation for the Federation, without factoring in oil sales. Revenue proceeds generated by the Federal Inland Revenue Service almost doubled in the first half of 2024, compared with the level Tinubu met in 2023. The state and councils are more prosperous because of it, as many states have increased the minimum wage for their workers to between 70,000 naira and 85,000 naira. Atiku's proposal to privatize the 4 government-owned refineries, which collectively can only meet a fraction of the nation's daily fuel consumption when activated, lacks originality. Ononuga said Abubakar's economic proposal failed to present a viable alternative to Tinubu's decisive reforms, adding that the former vice president should repair his reputation as a statesman. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.